Moving along. Today we're going to look at this spring-loaded center punch and nail setter. This end is for making an indentation in several types of materials in order to guide a drill bit, while the concave end is for setting a nail into the material without hitting or damaging the surrounding area. Let's test it out and see if it's any good. Let's start by using the punch. We're going to set it on this piece of wood and pull on the string. When letting go, it will hit the punch and create the indentation. Let's do the same thing over metal. I'm pulling on the string, letting go, and there goes the indentation. Here it is once more. One of the best use cases is on ceramic tiles, which are hard to drill. Again, I'm placing the tip of the punch on the ceramic tile and pulling on the spring. A small piece of ceramic has chipped off. It will guide the drill bit. Now let's use the nail setter. I'm hammering this nail all the way until about a couple of millimeters away from the surface of the wood. Let's bring in the nail setter. Like before, I'm pulling on the spring very hard. When released, the force is concentrated on the tip of the nail setter with a force of 5000 psi. The surrounding wood is kept undamaged. The cool thing about this device is that I don't have to use a hammer. Let's see it again up close in a different type of wood. Again, the wood is unharmed and the nail head is flush with the surface. If you want to be updated about these kind of videos, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find a full list of our featured products on our website at toolwall.pro. Ultimately, if you require drilling into metal or ceramics or setting nails into wood, this is way preferable to a punch and a hammer. It's easy to carry, easy to use. As always, you can find a link to this product in the description below. Check out some of our other cool videos. See you next time.